Describing a process of how to install Windows Server. To install Windows Server, you must download the package select. For language, next to be select in the United States, English. The following buttons should be pressed next and install now. The version that has to be select in the one that is now in beta. The following buttons should be we accept the license. Having to version has to be filled and create partition. A file copy must begin in order to install. We have 5 minutes, can be 5 to 10 minutes with fields and research. Restart. Reboot needs to be entered or administrator password. To install, you have to start select